How to use Dropbox on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the App Store on your iPhone. Once you are here, go to the Search tab in the bottom right corner and type in Dropbox. After that, select it from the results and then tap to open the application. Once the app opens, you'll land on the home screen of the Dropbox app. You may see a prompt to connect your desktop, which you can skip for now. To upload a new file, tap on the plus icon at the bottom. This will open a menu with multiple options and tap on Upload Files. This will open your iPhone's file browser. Now, select the file you wish to upload and tap on Open in the top right corner. Dropbox will then ask you to choose a destination folder. Select the folder you want and tap on Upload as shown. You can now see the file is now successfully uploaded here. Now, go to the home screen and open the Files app. Here, go to the Browse section, and make sure the Dropbox toggle is turned on under Location section. You can then see your Dropbox files. Following these steps, you can easily use Dropbox on an iPhone.